My name is Brody and I'm a software developer at TASKA Prosthetics. I work on the mobile application MyTASKA. Today we'll be showing you the hand button on the TASKA hand where you can assign grips. On this Gen 2 low profile hand, the hand button can be found at the bottom here. From the MyTASKA homepage, tap the Customize Grips tile to access My Grips. Here you can see a list of grips assigned to the hand button, and pressing the button cycles through the grips. To change the grips assigned to the button, tap here and select the one you want. Grip triggers are also found on this screen, and you assign them in the same way. Grip triggers can be used by sending a series of open and close signals. To learn more about the MyTASKA mobile app, check out our other videos on YouTube. To find out more information about TASKA Prosthetics, check out our website, taskaprosthetics.com.